Alright, what is up everyone? Welcome to the EP3 build. This is something I've been wanting to do for quite a while, since I got the car actually. And I am so excited to get this going. I've always wanted to work on a car at this extent, bodywork wise, changing the color and everything. I know I didn't put an intro in the last video, the first episode, but I just didn't have the time. It was just like a really crunched weekend, just like this weekend. We're doing a lot more work on the EP3. The most recent thing I've done for the EP3 is I spray painted the window ledges black just to get rid of that chrome, and peeled off all of the peeling plastic parts. We removed the side skirts. We're going to detail them and get them ready for wrap. We ordered the wrap from Paradox Styling. And so without further ado, here's the second part to the first video. And in this video we're gonna Bondo everything down and sand everything down and then primer everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. We have more stuff coming for the FG4 of course, but we gotta be patient with that. Like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Alright. Jack in the Box letter card. This is what we're gonna use as our mixer. So I'm just gonna grab a good amount onto our board here. Well, it dried super fucking fast. I didn't even have a chance to put it on. Holy fuck. Done. Jesus Christ. Okay. Now we're gonna go over everything again, resand everything down, all the Bondo after it dries, and then we're gonna spray paint everything. So okay, so I sanded all the paint off, I Bondoed it. It's kind of chunky because I took too long to put it on, or it just hardened fast. So I'm just sand it. I'm gonna just sand it and see how it goes. And if not, then I'll just redo it with whatever I have left, which is not much, so we'll see. It's a shit ton of Bondo, so hopefully I can save some of it on there. So yeah, we'll just let it harden. Okay, I am exhausted. Oh, the car's fucking dirty again. So, out of what you saw that I put on, this is what I kept. I filled in most of the dents. There's some little ones here that I couldn't really get out, like right here. But fuck it, I don't care. And then like, so kind of like straight. It goes up a little bit, it goes down a little bit, and then it goes straight and up and down a little bit, like right there too. But it was better than it was before, which was like some fucking chops in there. So I'm keep it like that. Maybe I'll just grind it just a tiny bit more here on the edges, but other than that, I'm satisfied. Nice. All right, there she is. She is all done.
No, mommy.
Yeah. I'm pretty proud of it, honestly. Primered everything. There are a few like little tiny spots that, you know, I wish would have came out better. But for the work that we did, I feel very proud. The hole's covered up in the bumper now. Yeah, everything is pretty good. This is the biggest change right here. If you remember before, it was a giant dent. Now it's pretty good for my type of work. There are some chips in the Bondo though. I hope that won't chip over time, but again, the car is gonna get wrapped. So yeah, there you go, the full walk around. It's all done. Just realizing there's some more dents here. Fuck it. We did well. We fixed a lot of the issues on it. That's great. So, oh yeah, let's look at the inside. Yeah, we pretty much detailed the interior. Only thing that I'm not really like, I mean, obviously it's just a detail. There's nothing crazy in here that's fucked up except this and the steering wheel. But the seats is something I wish I could have cleaned a little better. I used the seat cleaner from Turtle Wax, but it didn't get all that out. It only got off like the top layer. I'm gonna need some kind of like, you know, water dry vacuum or whatever they're called for that, but it's whatever. It's just the daily, like I said. Yeah, we're keeping all this stock except the shifter. This, I need to find a new steering wheel, so if you know anyone that's selling one, let me know, because I really do need to replace it. Look at that. And then this, we're going to change this to suede, because I really do not like this at all. And then this, we're going to change it to an Acuity shifter, probably the one that's on the FG4 over there. And then yeah, with the quick release button thing that goes here. But yeah, for now we're gonna keep it like this and eventually switch over to all of that. We're not gonna wrap the car until we have all the pieces that we need. So we still need the Airwalker lip and the Mugen wing on the back, and then the rear bumper lip. So we probably won't wrap it for, who knows, maybe I don't know, we'll see what we do. But yes, once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do enjoy working on my cars. It's something I'm never gonna ever stop doing, no matter what. Yeah, we're gonna take a break from the FG4 for now and then continue on to this for a little bit. And yeah, so thank you. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.